As a producer of aerosols and spray solutions, European Aerosols addresses its customers' inquiries regarding regulations, logistics and storage. The European Aerosols Group leads the way in Europe in developing spray solutions for paints, varnishes and technical products. European Aerosols operates in the automotive, do-it-yourself and industrial markets. At European Aerosols, thinking and acting outside the box is encouraged. A no-nonsense company that has grown by daring to take action. Here, ambition thrives and ambitions are achieved together. European Aerosols aims to be an all-encompassing sustainable partner for its customers and does not shy away from any challenge. The ambition is to produce even more aerosols responsibly and sustainably. Do you want to become the knowledge partner for distributors in the field of aerosols, enabling users to work safely and efficiently? Apply quickly and become part of our French team.